Hello everyone, Chad Wester from Boll Weevil Soap Company, and happy Earth Day. And if you're watching this and it's not Earth Day, just happy day. So we're excited to come to you today and talk to you a little bit about some things that we do in this Earth Day realm here at the soap company. So one of the things that we realized very quickly in this business is that unfortunately our plastics are kind of necessary. We would love to have an alternative to that and that it's economically feasible, but unfortunately we just haven't been able to get there. And one of those challenges is that, quite frankly, glass is kind of too expensive and it costs a lot to ship. And then you've got, and you really can't put lotion in a paper bag. So until we can come up with some better technology, this is kind of where we are right now. So in facing of that challenge and that reality with our plastic situation, we made a decision in 2023 for Boll Weevil Soap Company to become a plastic neutral company. Now, what the heck does plastic neutral mean, Chad? Well, very simple. We have worked toward the process, and we audit ourselves on this, that for every plastic bottle that leaves Boll Weevil Soap Company, or that is used at Boll Weevil Soap Company, there is a plastic bottle recycled. Now, that can happen in a couple of different ways. If you're here in the Wiregrass, or maybe you're just visiting and you're going to get to swing through and see us here in person, which we hope you do, come see us. It's a great place to check out. But when you come by, bring your empty Boll Weevil Soap Company bottles with you. Bring your empty scrub containers, your empty lotion containers. You can even do the empty glass from our, if you're no longer using a mason jar from our foaming mason kits, if you're using our candles, and what are you going to do with these candles? Bring those back to us. Anything glass or plastic that originally had our products in it, bring it back in. And we will start the recycling process there for you, and we will recycle that here. Now, unfortunately, we can't take things that are outside, that is just your general garbage, obviously, but things that you make here, when you come back in for your refills, we can't fill them back up, but we can recycle them for you. Those come through two very special relationships that we have with two companies that kind of help us with this process. The first one is a company called Recyclops. Recyclops is local here. They come in and see us. Right now they come see us every Monday. Very nice folks. And they come in, and anything that we have from our kitchen that is plastic or cardboard or any of our glass is recycled there. Recyclops picks those things up. But they also pick up all the plastics that you may bring in over the week prior. So bring in those plastic jars and help us start that process. But Recyclops is our local partner. And then we also have a non-local partner, and that is a company called Plastic Bank. Plastic Bank helps us with the rest of this because, as you can imagine, a lot of plastic goes out here, and we do bring back a good bit, but we certainly don't bring it back all of it. So there's a lot of tourists that come into town. We do a lot of e-commerce. You obviously just can't mail back your plastic jar. That wouldn't be very economically feasible. So we've partnered with a company called Plastic Bank. They're great folks. You can Google them. They've got some great information out there. But basically, we know how much plastic we brought back through Recyclops. We know how much plastic we purchased and put out there into the world. And whatever that difference is, we pay Plastic Bank to pick up the rest. So for example, where this bottle of lotion may get shipped to a military family in Alaska, we're not going to ask them to send this bottle back. So hopefully it's going to get recycled on their end, but we don't know that. But what we are going to do is we're going to pay Plastic Bank to pick up another bottle in its place. It's typically picked up off of one of the world's beaches that's come out of the ocean. They'll pick up another bottle in its place and recycle it instead. So even though our personal plastic may not all 100% end up back in our recycling program, a plastic bottle of the same size in the same manner will end up back in our recycling program. So whether you're helping us by coming in and we work with that Recyclops here to get your local plastics recycled and glass, or whether we're paying Plastic Bank to pick one up in its place, we're very proud to say that we are a plastic neutral company. So bring back your plastic, bring back your glass. Also, if you want us to really help, if you want to help out with this process, you can go in and type in the word recycling in our search bar on our website, and you can throw an extra $1 or $2, whatever you want to donate, onto your next online order, and that will help to support that process because it's certainly not free. We appreciate your support in being a earth-friendly company, and we'll handle the rest. Happy Earth Day.